Hello and welcome to Value Research Podcast. You're listening to First Page, a column written by Dhirendra Kumar. Stay small or go home. Why you shouldn't be scared of the ongoing small cap downturn. The buzz across investment circles these days is that of knives being sharpened for small cap stocks and funds. The current 25% plunge has prompted many industry veterans to issue dire proclamations. Stop your SIPs and run for your life. Everyone seems to be an expert on when to enter and exit this volatile market segment. What fascinates me about this situation isn't just the volatility, but our collective response to it. When markets soar, we speak of conviction and long-term vision. When markets plummet, these virtues transform into foolish stubbornness and inability to cut losses. This contradiction is pronounced in the small cap space. 8 months ago, investors were clamoring to get into these funds, mesmerized by their eye-watering returns. Today, many are rushing to exit, abandoning their investment principles just as quickly as politicians abandon their promises. The truth about small-cap investing, which often gets lost in the tumult of market movements, is that it was never meant to be comfortable. Volatility isn't just a feature of small-cap investing. It's the very reason these stocks deliver higher returns. When we enter this space, we sign a contract. I accept dramatic fluctuations as the price for potentially dramatic returns. Yet, when the market calls to collect on that contract, we act surprised, as if the terms were not disclosed. As our cover story of Mutual Fund Insight April 2025 issue examines, there are excellent reasons to hold and sell small cap funds. The decision hinges not on market conditions, but on your financial situation, time horizon, and emotional makeup. The most insightful investors I have encountered view market downturns not with fear but with perspective. They understand markets move in cycles, with periods of irrational optimism followed by periods of equally irrational pessimism. The current situation with small caps is a classic example of this cycle. In less than a year, we've gone from the belief that small caps can do no wrong to small caps can do no right, despite there being no fundamental change to the investment thesis. Small cap stocks are particularly challenging due to their unique characteristics. Their lower liquidity means that selling pressure can quickly escalate, turning into a self-fulfilling prophecy. When investors panic and rush to sell, fund managers are forced to sell into a declining market, often at increasingly unfavorable prices, exacerbating the downward spiral. This liquidity challenge underscores something I've long believed. Investment vehicles should match investment timeframes. Small cap funds are not meant for your 3-year goals or emergency funds. They are designed for those parts of your portfolio that you can commit to for 7, 10, or even 15 years. Perhaps the most valuable insight from our cover story is the difference between small cap stocks and small cap funds. The latter's professional management creates a crucial buffer against the market's worst excesses. While 62% of individual small caps deteriorate into micro caps, even the worst performing small cap fund delivered 13.5% annual returns on an SIP over a decade. This highlights the strength of fund investing. It offers individual investors access to professional management that is virtually impossible to replicate. When fund managers reveal only 11% of small cap companies qualify as high quality, yet they form 60% of small cap fund holdings, they show the value proposition that justifies their management fees. The current small cap turbulence offers a rare opportunity for self-reflection. Rather than asking, should I sell my small cap funds? The better question is, was I ever suited to small cap investing in the first place? If downturns prompt you to abandon your investment plan, the fault may lie with the market and the mismatch between your investment selections and risk tolerance. After all, investing fortunes offer favors those with both skill and patience. Those who can maintain their composure when others are losing theirs may find that small caps still play a significant role in a well-constructed portfolio.